Earlier in the course, we talked about the anytype, which represents any kind of value. And I told you that we should avoid using it as much as possible. But let's say we're converting some JavaScript code to TypeScript and we have a situation where we really have to use the anytype. So let's define a function called render that takes a document. Now the compiler is complaining about the type of this parameter. So to make it silent, we use the anytype. Now there is a big problem with the anytype. Here we can call document.move, we can call document.fly, we can call document.whatever we want, and there is no type checking done. So if we run our application and there is no move method on this document object, our program is going to crash. This is where we use another similar type called unknown. So if we change the type of this parameter from any to unknown, we immediately see these compilation errors. So the TypeScript compiler is saying, object is of type unknown. So the compiler doesn't know about the type of the document. It doesn't know if there's a move, fly, or other methods on this object. Now this is where we use type narrowing. Remember, we talked about narrowing early in the course. So by using a type guard, we can narrow down the type of an object and get more specific. So here we can use a type guard like if type of document equals string. Now in this block, we have access to all string methods. So if we type document.toUppercase, we don't get a compilation error because the compiler knows that this document is a string object. Now this type of operator only works for primitive types like string, boolean, number. If you have custom objects created with classes, we have to use another operator called instance of. So we can say document instance of, and then here we add our custom type like Word document. We'll talk about this operator in the next section where we talk about classes and interfaces. For now, all I want you to take away is that using the unknown type is preferred to using the any type because the compiler forces us to do some type checking to make sure the methods we're calling exist on the target object.